Dear children, this is Janet. We are learning modes of heat transfer. In our last two videos, we studied conduction and convection. In this video, we are going to learn about radiation. We know that heat is a form of energy. Heat energy can travel in the form of waves just like light. These waves, that is, both light and heat waves and many other types of waves, are called electromagnetic waves. Energy traveling in this form is called radiation. All bodies give out energy that travels in the form of radiation. Let me explain you with an example. Think that you are placing a pan on burner and heating it well till the pan gets hot. Then you are putting off the fire. Now the pan cools down after some time as it transfers heat to the surrounding by radiation. From the sun, the heat comes to us by the process of radiation. Heat radiations can travel in different media such as air, water, and even in no media, that is vacuum, just like light. Bodies that absorb this radiation becomes hot. Even our body also gives heat to the surrounding and receives heat from it by radiation. Let us understand with another example. If you sit in front of fire on a winter day, you feel hot. The heat you receive does not come to you by conduction or convection. Here, you receive heat by a new way in which heat energy is transferred from one body to another in exactly the same manner as light. In radiation, heat is transmitted from one body to another in a straight line in all directions and at very great speed without the help of the intermediate particles and without heating the medium through which it passes. During summer, we feel more comfortable wearing white and light colored clothes. This is because white clothes absorb lesser amount of heat than dark clothes. Most of the heat radiated by sun is reflected back when we wear light colored clothes. Therefore, they keep us cooler. Objects that are black absorb most of the radiated heat. Dark and black colored clothes are more comfortable in winter. This is because dark clothes absorb more heat than light colored clothes and therefore they keep us warmer. Next, let us learn the practical applications of radiation. You would have seen solar panels kept in our schools and houses. They are designed in such a way to absorb maximum heat from the sun. A black metal sheet is used to increase heat absorption. And the base of many cooking vessels is painted black in order to absorb more heat energy provided and to cook food in less time. Children, have you noticed the mirrors kept behind the heating coil of the room heaters? These mirrors reflect the heat radiated by the heating coil to the front of the heater. We studied the radiated heat travels in all directions. Using these mirrors, the heat radiated in the direction behind the heater is not wasted, but it is redirected to the front. Let us continue in our next video. Thank you.